Camera on. Perfect, because I've got good news for you. Gone are those days when owning your own piece of property felt out of reach or for a select few. Today, with the right opportunities, owning your own dream home is not just possible, it's easier than you think. And I'm here to help you get started. Enjoy the perfect mix of comfort, style, and modern living in our 3-bedroom terraces plus boys quarter, designed for those who love luxury and quality. Located on Hitech Road behind Lagos Business School Ajah, Landgate Homes offers easy accessibility to everything from top schools and malls to a secure, well-connected neighborhood. Estate features include 3 spacious bedrooms, premium fittings with smart home potential, secure and fast-growing neighborhood, and so much more. Initial deposit here is 30 million naira with a 6-month payment plan. Don't miss out on an opportunity to own luxury real estate in one of Lagos' most sought-after areas. Call or send us a message. Let's get started.